In this video, I want to demonstrate how to change the display options for dimensions. For example, this 1.5 and 3 are close together. Now I could drag this way out, or I might want to, in many instances, move this up rather than leave it centered, or move this one up or down so they're a little offset. You'll notice as soon as I try and move it and I release it, it automatically goes back to center because that's the default setting. So if I want to change this dimensions location, I need to select it and then right click on it. Then move down to display options, and I'm going to uncheck center dimension. So now I can move that down, and where I leave it is where it will stay. So again, if I right click on that dimension and come down to display options, I can also offset the text if that's helpful to neaten up the drawing. If I don't like that, again, I'll right click on it, go to display options, and uncheck offset text. Once again, I'll right click on it, go to display options, and if I want to show it as an inspection dimension, I can do that. And if I don't want that, I can right click on it, go back to my display options and turn it off. And the other option I have for display options, so once again I'll right click on it, go to display options, is I can show it in brackets, which now makes it a reference dimension.